Blake production.
Yo, Galaxy gang, what's poppin'? I think things are looking perfect right now. Love the looks of this chart. Technical perspective, it's acting exactly how we would want it to react from a technical perspective. Massive move to the upside, create a higher low, slowly pause, another higher high. Looks like we're printing a higher low right now. We're expecting a nice strong move coming up. Now, where could that move take us? I think this is going to help us fill the gap above here, right? That gap that we've been waiting to fill since 13 and since May 2022. Crazy shit. We've come a long way. So that's what I'm looking for here. This is explosive, these moves. So all the people who were selling here are probably going to pay the price and buy up here. That's my thoughts right now. Again, think about how, if you've been listening to like Galaxy Talk and shit like that, Mike Novogratz has been coming out and saying how bullish he is on the space. Not only that, these guys have a lot more insider info than we do. If they're saying it's a guarantee that the ETFs come in, the likelihood is that the ETFs come in. What does that mean? Massive inflows of cash coming on the way. Not just for Bitcoin, for the space in general. Why? What's going to end up happening? The speculators are going to start hearing rumbles about, oh, miners and other entities perform better than Bitcoin. Oh, so they're going to be looking for names like Galaxy, Hut, Hive, Bitfarms, Mara, Iris Energy. There's so many more. There's this. I can't even explain it. Like, I don't even think I can really comprehend how much money could be coming into the space. It's nuts. Right now, the best thing for us to do, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Try to buy dips if you can. If you got the big balls for it, buy the dips. I'm so excited, as the rest of the Galaxy gang should be, because this is long awaited, and this right here I think is the beginning of what we were seeing back here. So let's look at the EMAs and just get a quick look at what we could be, just to prepare for what we could be experiencing, right? The EMAs are used as support, right? They might rip up high and come, like, look at this pullback back in November 2020, right? This right here is a 30% pullback. January 2021, 38% pullback. February, all the way down to mid-Feb, late Feb, 34% pullback. This one's huge. We have March 2021, we have a 40% pullback. Look how many pullbacks there were before we topped out. All right. And then we had a long duration pullback. Okay. This is the baby rumblings. This bull run's not even a little toddler yet. Like, we got lots of time. I'm thinking this next run up towards this $13 range, that's when we're going to see our first major pullback, in my opinion. That's a resistance point. As you can see, it acted as support from February 2021 to May 2022. It'll be our first time revisiting that zone in the coming weeks, okay? We might get a strong rejection from that area, from people who bought up down here and are now seeing their 230% gains, okay? So just be prepared for that. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm trying to have an objective perspective whenever I'm looking at these markets. But that's what I'm seeing on Galaxy. So I'm super excited. Right now, I think we should all give each other props and be supporting each other, because only the ones who've been through the trenches know what we've been through. So again, big shout out to you guys. You guys have helped me a lot in terms of, like, I'm talking about the people on X, the community on X have helped me a lot in terms of just learning more about the company and actually understanding what I'm holding. So I'm really excited. That's the breakdown, guys. Peace.